The headlight honcho, and here we have it. The beginning of the end for all you guys out there who are customizing your 370Z lights. And here it is, the Morimoto XB LED for the 370Z. Now these lights feature 3 bi-LED projectors which produce an amazing amount of light output but still no glare to oncoming traffic, and they are also fully DOT approved. So for those of you who care about that, these lights are completely compliant in that department. Now of course, these being part of the XB LED lineup, they have the intensely bright LED daytime running light, the sexy sequential LED turn signal, an amber side marker over on the side, all of that wrapped up in a package that is of OEM quality. So take the challenge, go out to your garage, check the old headlights on your Z. Chances are the lenses on those things are completely hazed up and it's time for an upgrade anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and get these things installed. Personally, I can't wait to Z it for myself.